This is a speed test between the iPhone 14 Plus versus the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Now the iPhone 14 Plus has the A15 Bionic chip with 6 gigs of RAM. On its latest version of iOS 16, the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra has the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip with 12 gigs of RAM. On Android 12, on its latest version of One UI 4.1.1. So let's go ahead and turn on both phones at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. iPhone 14 Plus versus Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra speed test. Which phone will boot up faster here? Oh, the 14 Plus, super fast on the boot up. Let's go ahead and see what the S22 is gonna do. And it's really not that far behind. And we're in. Swipe over here. These are the apps I'm gonna be using for this speed test, and do this on the 14 Plus. And as you can see, there is nothing in the background. And do this on the S22 Ultra, so you can see no recently used apps. All apps, caches, the browsers, everything has been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. Very close. I think that was actually the S22 Ultra, but let me know down below. Messages. Very close again. Again, let me know in the comments. The camera. Ooh, very close. Let me know down below. Clock on both phones. Very close. We'll go ahead and start this up. Let that run in the background. Calculator. Very close again. App Store, Play Store. Ooh, very close. I think that was the S22 Ultra, but let me know down below. Go ahead and just click on this. We'll leave it there. Amazon Shopping. Ooh, I think that's faster on the S22. Oh, very close, but I think I'm gonna give the edge to the S22 Ultra. Let's see, let's click on something here. Click on this. Go ahead and leave it there. eBay. Ooh, much faster on the S22 Ultra. Go ahead and click on this. Leave it on that page. Mario Run. Loading on both phones. A little bit faster here on the 14 Plus. And faster again on the 14 Plus. But the S22 Ultra not far behind. Subway Surf. Let's see here. Oh, give that to the 14. Angry Birds 2. Let's see, both are logging in right now. What will happen here? Oh boy. Oh, okay, 14 Plus is ahead. Will the 22 Ultra catch it? Oh my goodness, wow. I mean, yeah, I don't know, man. Slow down the video for me on YouTube and let me know down in the comments. Modern Combat 5. Now this one is tricky. I'm gonna try to do it correctly.
3 weeks ago, the World Liberation Army launched a cyber attack.
All right, let's see. Okay, the iPhone was faster here. Now I know that wasn't at the same time. You know, trying my best. It is what it is. We'll tap to continue. And of course, we do have PUBG. Loading on the iPhone. Oh, it's super quick on the iPhone 14 Plus. And let's see, the 22 Ultra is loading. Okay, taking a little bit longer, but really not too far behind. It's fairly quick in its own right. Instagram. Ooh, much faster on the S22 Ultra. Snapchat. Ooh, and again faster on the S22 Ultra. We do have Safari and Samsung Internet Browser. Let's go ahead and do a Google search. No thanks to that. Pick one of these trending searches. Tropical storm hurricane. We'll pick that. and then we'll go ahead and do a image search. Go ahead and click on this, nice and fast. Click on this, nice and fast. Click on this again. We'll do some scrolling. Wow, what's going on with the 14? Okay, here we go. And I have to say right away, the 120 Hz on the S22 Ultra, super smooth here on the scrolling. Wow, that's amazing. And here on the 14 Plus, yeah, it's kind of jittery. We'll go ahead and click on the see more. We'll go ahead and do this. We'll scroll, and yeah, it's not even close. The display on the S22 Ultra, wow, super fast, super smooth, both for loading content right now. Now this can just be, a Wi-Fi connection thing, so take this part with a grain of salt. I think this is the same one. And what's going on here on the iPhone? It's a completely different page. Must have clicked on something different. Go back. Let's see. Let's click on, I don't know, I'm confused. I don't even know. But anyway, you guys get the idea. The S22 Ultra display is a lot faster, so you get a much more enjoyable experience when scrolling. Both are usable when it comes to web browsing. All right, enough of that. Let's go ahead and test out the RAM management on both phones. Everything in the background, so you can see. And I also have to say the display on the S22 Ultra looks better. I will say that also. Anyway, we'll run through these apps again, and we'll have a look. For any lags or any stutters, I don't anticipate any with these two phones. Both are pretty good with the RAM management, but we'll see what happens. We'll reconnect to this game, resume. Not a problem on either phone. Very nice. And then we do have the Angry Birds 2 here. Not bad. Subway Surfers. We can resume on both with no issue, as you can see. We do have the Mario Run. There we go. No issues continuing the game. eBay, same place. Amazon, same place. App Store, Play Store, same place. Calculator, no lags. The clock. I've never seen this reload ever. The camera. Ooh, very close, but I think the 14 Plus slightly quicker. Messages, very close. And finally, the phone app. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Thanks for watching. Peace out.